We are at the Dunkin Donuts and we are going to be testing if this building is accessible with ordering your food if you have a visual impairment. So let's go inside. This is Tyler Huber again. Can I get a medium hot chocolate and a Boston cream donut, please? Sure. And then, is there a tap or?
Yep, it'll be over to your left. It's a little further in. You got it? You need to lead you to it?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah, of course. It'll be right here.
And then can I get a receipt, please?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Alright, and I set your hot chocolate right near the bag.
Thank you very much. So as you can see, that was a lot of customer interaction. The customer service was great. However, had to find the tap reader, and also the self-order kiosk was completely inaccessible. We had to talk to somebody in order to find our in order to get what we wanted. So that's Dunkin' Donuts.